Hey guys, so I decided to read the article from Entertainment Education on Smart Client. Smart Client's context is basically it helps families build awareness with counseling on contraceptives, and it helps reach family planning directly to their phones. It also collects analytics in order to give families a more personalized experience, so it's not like they're just producing the same information to everybody. It's kind of each family has their own situations. I thought that the complexity of this article is that the number of women using contraception more than doubled after using the Smart Client. And Smart Client is currently being tested in Nigeria, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Um, but it also collects data analytics of the families, and female users share their content with their partners from the Smart Client data. I think that the voice in this situation is the families in general. If we want to go into specifics, it obviously had to do with Nigeria mostly, but in a worldwide view, I think it has to do with families. The authenticity of this would be there was actually 6 pages of resources. I chose Amanda, Paige, and Jarrett. Amanda was a John Hopkins Center for Communication Programs Senior Research Assistant. Paige is the Marketing and Communication Specialist, and Jarrett was the Knowledge for Health Program Officer for this blog. And then the proportionality is a great way to inform families in 2020 and future generations. I think it was great because as we keep moving forward, a lot of things that we do in life is on our phones. And then it gives knowledge to the situation easier to access because it is right at your fingertips. And I think in conclusion, this article for Smart Climate Client does demonstrate excellent journalism.